Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix green line problem. If you are facing green line problem in your Vivo smartphone, how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just open the phone, and if you are seeing this green line problem and you are just unable to use your phone or open the phone if it is unlocked by your face lock, how you can do this? Simply you have to just take two fingers and you have to just swipe up like this, and you can see the pattern is unlocked. And then you have to go to settings option. Here it is. Just first tap to just select this and double tap, you have to just enable this. Then you have to click on settings search option, double tap, single tap, then double tap, single tap, double tap, single tap, and double tap. You have to just disable the setting by this. And friends, you can see the talkback is off now and you can use your phone in normal way. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.